Hello friends, you are watching ICSE Mathematics and we have been solving chapter number 1 compound interest. We have already completed the first two exercises 1A and 1B. Now we will start exercise 1C, but before that let us discuss certain points, which are discussed in this exercise. If you have not subscribed my channel ICSE Mathematics, please do subscribe, like and share my videos as well. Okay, now the third exercise is on the basis of population growth or population decrease or depreciation in the value of a machine or something else. Yes or no? Like this. Okay, further, what is growth? Okay, we know that certain entities like population, age, yes or no, and height, these entities increase with time, gradually increase with time. Okay, the growth is what? That is the increase in the quantity with time is called the growth. Okay, and the growth per unit time is called the rate of growth. Clear? Similarly, okay, let us see first formula for growth, population growth. Formulate for population growth. Okay, let P be the population at a certain time in a town and R be the rate of growth. Okay, then formula number 1, population after n years is given by P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the population after n years. Say after 2 years or 3 years. Okay, if the present population P is given and the rate of growth is given and you are told to find the population after 2 years or 3 years, then you can put the values in the formula and easily calculate. Okay, this formula is similar to the formula of calculating the amount. Yes or no? Principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to, and that is number of years. This formula is actually the formula of calculating the amount. Okay, now population n years ago is equal to P upon 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So suppose in case you have to find the population n years ago. Yes or no? Okay, so present population will become amount in that case. Clear? So suppose this then amount will become present population. So here you will get the present population, okay, and population 2 years ago will come over here. So if you shift this in the denominator on the left side, you get the same formula. So you will remember this formula for calculating population n years ago. Okay, even you can put the values in the above formula also, but remember that if you have to find n years ago population, okay, then in that case present population will that value will come on the left hand side, okay, and population n years ago, that the value to be found will be P, okay, you will keep over here, and the other values, this value then will be transferred to the left side. Clear? So you will get the same formula, or you can directly apply this formula to get the population n years ago. Now let us see the another formula for population growth. We have seen now formula for population decrease. Okay, formula for population decrease. Okay, let P be the population at a certain time and R be the rate of decrease. Okay, in that case, population after n years will be P into bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n, and population n years ago, again here there will be change of only a minus sign. The remaining formula remains the same. Clear? So this is the formula for decrease in population. Now let us check depreciation. So what is depreciation? Depreciation, we know that the value of any machine, okay, any object, it decreases as the time goes on. For example, car you can take, yes or no, suppose you have purchased any car for 5 lakh, okay, after 1 year you will show that there is a decrease in the price, yes or no. If you will sell, nobody will buy in 5 lakh, he or she will pay you less amount, okay, so that decrease is due to wear and tear. Okay, so that is called the depreciation. Depreciation in decrease. Depreciation means decrease in the value. Okay, and decrease per unit time is called the rate of depreciation. Clear? So now we will see the formula for depreciation. Okay, formula for depreciation. Clear? Yes. Okay, now let V be the present value of an article at a certain time and RB its rate of depreciation okay, then value of article or machine, you can anyway you can write a value of article after n years will be given by V multiplied by 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n, and similarly another formula will be value of article or machine after or n years ago will be given by V upon 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. Clear? So now we have done with the formulas. Now let us start the exercise. Exercise 1C. or it is exercise 2C. Okay, this is actually chapter number 2. Okay, so question number 1. A town has 15,625. Okay, so present population of the town is given. Present population of the town is 15,625. Okay, rate of increase is given 4%. Okay, per annum, and time is given T 3 years. Okay, so after 3 years we have to find the number of people in a town or population of town after 3 years. So we can directly use the formula. Okay, population after n years will be given by P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. Therefore, population after 3 years will be 15625 into 1 plus rate is 4 upon 100 raised to 3. Okay, 4 ones are 25 are. So 15,625 into 25 ones are 25 plus 1 26. So 26 upon 25 raised to 3. Further simplifying. Okay, 26, 26, 26, and denominator will be 25, 25, 25. We know that 15,625 is the cube of 25. 25, 6, 25 are 25, 25 are and 25 ones are. So finally we will multiply 26 into 26 into 26 to get the answer of the population after 3 years. Clear? Okay, so now let us multiply. Therefore, population after 3 years will be 26, 26 are 6, 76 into 26, 6 6 are 36, 36, 40, 6, 7, 5, 7, 17576, 17576. This is the final answer. 17,576 is the answer to the first question. Okay, so to see, yes, 17,576 we got the answer. Now let us solve second question. Okay, now question number 2. The population of a town is increasing at the rate of 10% per annum if its present population, okay, rate of increase is given R 10% per annum. Okay, present population is given to be 36300. Population after 2 years and population 2 years ago. Okay, number 1, we have to find population after 2 years. So population after n years, once we'll put the formula p into bracket 1 plus r upon 100 raised to n, and therefore population after 3 years is equal to 36300 into 1 plus rate is 10 upon 100 raised to 2. So it is population after 2 years. I think we have to find out. Yes, population after 2 years. Okay, so now let us reduce and simplify. So 36300 into 11 upon 10 raised to 2 is equal to 36300 into 11 into 11 upon 10 into 10. We can reduce the two zeros. 121 into 363. 363. 363. 43923. 43923. This is the first answer. 43,923. This is the population after 2 years. Now we have to find population 2 years ago. So we have another formula. Okay, to calculate population. Number 2, population n years ago is equal to P upon bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So population 2 years ago equals, present population was 36300 upon 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to 2. Okay, so 36300 upon 11 by 10 raised to 2 is equal to 36300 11 into 11, numerator 10 into 10, 11 3s are 11 3s are, so 30,000, yes or no, is equal to, this is the second answer, population of a town 2 years ago. Clear? So this exercise is simple, you have to only use the formula. Okay, now let us solve the next question. Question number 3. Present population of a town is 1,76,400. Population of a town is 1,764,000. This is present population. Yes or no? Present population of a town. Okay, rate of growth. Rate of growth is given to be 5%. 5% we have to calculate population after 2 years and population 1 year ago. Again the same formula we are going to use. Number 1, population after n years is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. Therefore population after 2 years will be 1,76,400 into bracket 1 plus rate is 5 upon 100 raised to 2, 5 20s are, so 1,764,000, 20 1 the 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20 raised to 2, 1,764,000 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20. Okay, again. Okay, so 21 21s are 441 only. 441 into 441 we will do. 441 into 441. 194481. 194481. This is the population after 2 years. 1,94,481. Yes, 194481. Now second answer we will find out population 1 year ago. So for that we will use a different formula. Population n years ago will be given by P upon 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. So population 1 year ago equals 1,764,000 upon 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 1. 5 20s are, so 1,764,000 21 upon 20 is equal to 1,764,000 into 20 upon 21. Okay, now let us reduce by 7 first, 7 3s are, 7 5s are, 7 2s are, by 3. Okay, so 84 2s we will do. 84 2s will be 168. Yes, so 168,000. This is the answer. Population 1 year ago, it is 1,68,000. Yes or no? So we have completed question number 3. Now let us solve the next question. Okay, question number 4. 3 years ago, population of a city was 50,000. So you are given population of a city 3 years ago, that is 50,000. Okay, annual increase during the 3 successive years is 5, 8, 10%. Okay, you are given the increase rates R1 5%, R2 8% and R3 10% for 3 successive years. Okay, we have to find the present population. What we have to find? We have to find the present population. Okay, so we have a formula for calculating the population n years ago, because population 3 years ago that value is given, so let us use the formula. Okay, population n years ago will be given by, in this particular case, present population upon 1 plus R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100 into 1 plus R3 upon 100, because we have 3 different rates for 3 successive years and therefore we will put this formula. Now let us put the value. Therefore population 3 years ago will be equal to, okay, P present population we have to find out 1 plus 5 upon 100 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 into 1 plus 10 upon 100. Okay, now we can put value over here. Here we can reduce 5 20 the 4 2 the 4 25 the and 1 0. Okay, population 3 years ago is 50,000. So 50,000 is equals to P we have to calculate. Okay, this will be 21 upon 20 into 27 upon 25 into 11 upon 10. Okay, now let us further simplify these 3 numbers. We'll take on the left hand side in multiplication. Okay, and therefore we will write therefore 50,000 into 21 upon 20 into 27 upon 25 into 11 upon 10 is equal to P. Okay, 2 zeros we can reduce, and then by 2 ones are 2 50s are and 25 10s are 250. Okay, now remaining numbers will multiply. Clear? So 21 11s are into 27 into 10. Okay, so 270 plus 27 will be 297. So 297 into 21, let me do. Okay, so we'll get 6237 and 10. Therefore 62370, that is 62,370 will be the present population. So let us write down the statement finally. Therefore present population is 62,370. Clear? So this is the answer to question number 4. 62370. Okay, done. Now question number 5. A farmer has an increase of 12.5% in the output of wheat in his farm every year. This year he produced 2916 quintals of wheat. What was his annual production of wheat 2 years ago? Okay, So present production is 2916 quintals. It is given. We have to find the production of wheat 2 years ago. You are given the rate of increase, that is 12.5%. Okay, now let us solve the next question. Question number 5. Okay, present production of wheat is 2916 quintals. Okay, rate of increase is given to be 12.5%. Yes or no? In the output we have to find the production of wheat 2 years ago. Okay, so we have a formula. Therefore, production of wheat and years ago is equal to present production denoted by P upon 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N, and therefore production it is. Therefore production of wheat 2 years ago is equals to present production is 2916 upon 1 plus 12.5 upon 100 raised to 2. Now we will simplify this expression to get the final answer. Okay, equal to 2916 upon 1 plus 125 upon 1000 raised to 2. Okay, 125 is yes or no? 125 1 125 is 1000. So 2916 upon 8 1 8 plus 1 9 upon 8 raised to 2. Okay, now we can further simplify. 2916 into 8 into 8 upon 9 into 9. Now let us reduce by 9 directly. 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are. Okay, again 9 3s are 27, 9 6s are. So 8 8s are 64 into 36. 20304 quintals. Okay, and therefore the production of wheat, the production of wheat 2 years ago was 2304 quintals. Clear? This is the final answer. So far in this video we have seen the explanation and the formula of this growth and depreciation, and then we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now remaining questions we will solve in the next video. Okay, by that time, take care.